In this video, I will explain you about connecting to a SQL Server database and adding the database values into a drop-down list in ASP.NET. For that, first of all, you should use one assembly reference for connecting to a SQL Server database, that is by giving this using system dot data dot SQL client. This one assembly reference you should use. And now go to the class and declare three variables. One is SQL connection object CON, and another is SQL command object COM, and one more is SQL data adapter. It is SQL data reader DR. Okay. Now I have declared three objects. One is SQL connection, one is SQL command, and another is SQL data reader. Now go into the page load function and now instantiate these three objects. Now first use connection object CON equal to new SQL connection and give the connection string here. This is the connection string I am giving. Initial catalog is the database name, that is master database I am using, and data source is the SQL server name, and I have given my SQL server name. You change it according to your SQL server name in your system. I have given it mine. And integrated security equal to SSPI I am giving because I am using Windows authentication. If you are using SQL Server authentication, you should use a different connection string. Okay. Now open the connection CON dot open, and then now create the instance of the command object COM equal to new SQL command and write the query here. Select name is the column I am retrieving from the SQL Server database from table name. Registration, this is the table name I am using. And now give the second argument as the SQL connection object. Okay, CON. Now use the data reader DR equal to COM command object which I created just now. COM dot execute reader you should give. Okay, this is how you can execute a command object into a data reader. Now give initial value to the drop down list by using drop down list 1 dot items dot add of I am giving one initial value just for displaying purpose. This is the first initial value I am adding to the drop down list. Now use while loop to add the data reader values into the drop down list. While data reader dr dot read you should use read equal to true and open the while loop. Okay, this is how you should use the while loop and add the items inside this while loop. Drop down list 1 dot items dot add of data reader dr dot you don't use dot, just give dr of 0, that is the first column value. And I am receiving only one column only, just give dr of 0 dot to string. Okay, and now close the data reader, dr dot close. This is how you can do the adding items to the data reader. Now save this program, and I have used dr of 0 because this name I am retrieving only one column only from command object. So dr of 0 I am giving dot to string. Now run the program. The program is saving and the program is getting executed. The program is getting executed. This is the web page on which the program will be executed. See, this is the select option which I had given initially. So this is the drop down list. Now click on the drop down list. See, these 5 values has been added: Pradeep, Rama, Krishna, Shankara, Narayan. These 5 values has been added to the drop down list which I gave in the command object. These 5 values has been added. So this is how you can add values to your drop down list using SQL Server database. Okay, thank you for watching the video.